Hey, thank you, Switchblade. Thank you. All right, brother. Take care. God bless. Till we cross antennas again. God blesses upon your household. Happy Daddy's Day coming up. Dog is gone. Bye, bye, bye.
Y'all killing me. Y'all killing my ears, man. I don't know. Troublemaker sound just like a 911. 911, y'all say I don't know who talking to who. But somebody, somebody, somebody asked me, can I make the possum taste like fish? Depends on how I prepare it. Hey, yeah, man, I gotta go. Y'all killing me. Switchblade said, yeah. When I cook that possum, make it taste like fish. I put on some crab boil. I put crab boil on it. I see it.
Oh, you gotta love this two-way communicator. I'm back quiet.
Hey, Sherman, they asked for this now. Hey, Sherman, number 2 and 911, they asked for this. Hey, Sherman, Switchblade this out.
YouTube Switchblade. YouTube Switchblade. Type in Switchblade on YouTube. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye. Happy Father's Day, brother. I'm back out.
Look, let me tell you something, mister. Anytime if you go in the cat house and it smells like catfish, come out the cat house. Don't stay, okay?
Hey, that's just like with a woman. I'm gone.
911,
Hello, triple four. What's going on?
Alright, goodness, you damn fool. I'm gonna get on this radio. Switchblade 10-7. Bye-bye, Hawk.
Bye bye, homie. Be good, man. God bless. Hey, triple four. He said you go in the fish house and it tells you like that's just like a woman. And she pull him down. And I got to go. Right back, triple four. Daddy Day way right back. If I run in the fish house and it smell like too much fish, I might fall out. I'm allergic to fish. I'm gone. Hey, I'm 53. In my years, I ran across something like that. I said, girlfriend, I'll be right back. I forgot to go get the wrap. I'll be right back. And never went back. I'll see you.
Hey, 911, you say you 53 or 63?
53. In that situation you talking about with fish, I ran across that with one of the sweet things back in my younger days. And I said, baby girl, I'll be right back. I got to go get the blunt and the beer. She said, okay. I never went back.
Oh, no, that's right. No, if you smell like catfish, if you smell like, if that cat, hey, look, hey, you said 5'3" or 6'3"?
53.
Yeah, you so damn loud. I guess you 5'3". All right, but I thought you said 6'3", so you around my age. But anyway, take care. 911, bye.
No, I'm 53. I was born in 1965. April 9th, 1965. Team Aries. I'm back out.
I got you now, 5'3", okay. Your modulation loud. Ain't nothing wrong with it, just loud. I couldn't determine your 6 from your 5. I thought you said 63 at first, and then it sounded you said 53, so your 50 and your 60 sound almost the same. Take care, put on you later. 911, switchblade, click.
Hey, do I need to go down on my modulation some more? Hey, triple four, do I need to turn my modulation down some more?
Yeah. No, he said 5'3", 53. Yeah, I'm in my early 60s. And he said 53. Take care, put on your later. Switchblade, click.
Hey, yeah, I just turned my modulation way down. Switchblade, God bless. Appreciate the info on the possum. I'm back out. Hey, where you go, triple four? You done fell off the chair?
I'm finna go too, Hog. 911, I heard you, baby. Hog. Man, I'm finna go. I'm finna get out of here. Oh, Trevor Ford probably think you ready to pump that thing up and stop me from talking. Trevor Ford, he probably finna pump that damn thing up and stop me from talking. So before I let Trevor Ford whoop my black ass, I'm going to 7, okay?
Okay, sir. Catch you another day, another way. God bless. Click, click. I'm out.